What is up, everybody? I'm going to do an oil change for the first time on my Yamaha C3 scooter. I'm going to try to film the process, so if anybody else out there is curious, there's a couple videos on YouTube, but I'm going to put one on. I got this scooter at 600 miles, so I've gone basically 1,144 miles, so I'm going to change the oil. This has been an amazing scooter. Hopefully I won't fuck anything up. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get step one out of the way. It says to start the car. So let's let it warm up for 3 minutes, and then we'll start to get things cracking. Alright, we got a 19mm here. Alright guys, let's go with this second bolt. I don't have shit for tools. This is a 12. I lost my 12mm. So I'm going to try to use the... It doesn't fit. It's like a little loose. I'm hoping I don't strip this shit. Well, let's try it. Don't strip, baby. Pretty long bolt. Alright. And some more oil is going to come out of there. So that's about it. Go ahead and show you guys. Strainer, pretty clean actually. There's an O-ring on there, you want to make sure you check that out. But yeah, pretty basic. Alright, we'll fill her up here in a minute. Alright you guys, so I actually spilled a little bit of oil. I probably could have been a little more careful there, but I've got all the bolts out and all that stuff, so I've got it cleaned up. I'm gonna reinstall it. All right. And make sure you turn it nice. Don't strip anything. That's going in pretty good. I checked the O-ring, cleaned it up real good. that's it. Pretty basic. So now let's see if we can figure out. Now here's the dipstick. Now if anyone's curious, when you put it in here, you screw it in to fasten it. But when you check the oil, after you clean the dipstick, you stick it in, but don't screw it in. Just put it flat. Just like that. Then pull it back. So that's how you'll check it. So anyway, let's put some oil in it. I have no idea how much oil to put in. I'm gonna have to just keep checking it. Alright, so let's see where we're at. So let's start it up, let it run for a few minutes, and then we'll check it again. Alright guys, let's see if it'll fire up. And yeah, so I don't see any leaks. So that's all there is to it. If anything should change in the next little bit, I'll give you guys an update. I will say make sure you don't get oil everywhere. Alright guys, peace out.